Welcome to Oceans of Possibilities summer reading for the week of July 17th, 2022 for preschool age group, Part 1. Octopus's Garden by Ringo, Starr, illustrated by Ben Court. I'd like to be under the sea in an octopus's garden in the shade. He'd let us in, knows where we've been, in his octopus's garden in the shade. I'd ask my friends to come and see an octopus's garden with me. I'd like to be under the sea in an octopus's garden in the shade. We would be warm below the storm in our little hideaway beneath the waves. Resting our head on the seabed in an octopus's garden near a cave. We would sing and dance around because we know we can't be found. I'd like to be under the sea in an octopus's garden in the shade. We would shout and swim about the coral that lies beneath the waves, lies beneath the ocean waves. Oh, what joy for every girl and boy, knowing they're happy and they're safe, happy and they're safe. We would be so happy, you and me, no one there to tell us what to do. I'd like to be under the sea in an octopus's garden with you. The end. We're going to make a Pastapus octopus, and that is an octopus made with pasta. So your Craft-to-Go kit includes a whole bunch of colorful ziti. I colored this by putting ziti in a big bag this size, gallon bag, and dumping a whole thing of food coloring on it. So we'll get all the ziti off. It'll also include 2 googly eyes. Again, we love googly eyes. Let's set those aside. And a paper plate with holes punched out, and we have 8 strings hanging down for the legs. Now the first thing I'm going to do is push all this aside. In order to make this, we also need a glue stick for the eyes. And, oh, I'm sorry, I forgot. You also get a cotton ball painter with a clothespin. Because I'm going to make little spots on him. Now, if you'd prefer, if you have dot painters or bingo markers, those would work nicely too. Or you can even use your thumb if you want. But the first thing I'm going to do is glue on my eyes. We'll also need paint, I'm sorry. First thing I'm going to do is glue on my eyes. I can pick them up. I cut my nails last night, so bear with me. Put a bunch of glue on the back. And stick one there. Got the second one. Second one's easier to pick up because I already had glue on my fingers. And stick it there. So now our octopus has eyes. And the next thing I'm going to do is do the painting. So again, I have my paints. I'm going to do some spots. Just going to have, I think we'll just do red, orange, and yellow. There's the spots. The next thing we're going to do, after I put the paint aside so I don't get it all over me, is we're going to string the ziti on. You can do this in any order. You can do all one color on each string, or you can make it varied. But just stick the CD down. You put about, I'm gonna do all orange on this one. How many will fit? I think I have enough for 8 for each. You know, you don't want it too far down. Like I have 6 on here now. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this over and put it down through so that it holds. That's the hard part. Because the knot's not gonna exactly go through. Hold it on. Looks like it's down some. Nope. Let's try a knot. We'll do a few knots on them. There we go. And that's all you do. So you can see it on there. I did a double knot on there. We're gonna go ahead and do the rest and I'll show you what it looks like. So all my ZD is on now and it's all tied off. It took 3 knots on each to make it stay. So you might want to think of that. So this is what he looks like. Here's his face and his tentacles, and that's all you do. Might help if you put like a piece of tape at the bottom of each one, but these seem to be holding for me, so I'm gonna just leave it.